make us say Ghana for it years our program is say more on a crowd there with a book as a come to every. Do Tigana Hakran or part a real human naughty a year office also or pay meter. Edia kotare down with Tuaka Tenio or pay meter no Edia Cobonnet down home. Now what Tuaka Abe Jessica aye enyamkania yeno yesimita ni ho ana mita no kra o ye baba be bo ho ama my 1 month ebi dia di 1 year 2 years o ma tue sika o enye se fa brem ansa no matua ka na o kasa o de ba mentua matua o sika ama se kofa de ne bremi etidie pa na gira so se ECG etimi eboka abra nipa bebre etua na mo so omunya kania no matua ho ka adentina de bia yentua yetua so yenhu de ekọ ECG meters abedru Ghana ewe he papa mo amuti obi muso be pride be ni kan fi na reko ho na reko ECG wo ba krom ha wo de menuwa woni hancho bra ansa na wonya yeti o
Kwaku edru me bia ho na wo kasa kwa wan hwe kwa be ka mo no akwa fom Asempa kwa ya be hunu ne ma ho yebisa ya ho se aha wo mu si dan a okay bi obaka se eya aban na this corporation na esi ni ntino o ma de meter be bontu umra ma me ha dan no na meter bu fie ho Ghana nso ntisra eya ade a ye de pesika de ama eye adwuma no eno ntino adenti ena wo se meter no eho eye den adenti na wo se ho eye den be ni na adwuma ye fo na nkasa
Asempa FM
Enyama ekoso ewo eye ECG ho na nkasa no eho enema corruption nyina na eba ade ni bi ho kra na wokwa ade ni bo ho obaji usika obaka chi se bi ni ho mo obrofo bi adaga na aye se friends connection
Asempa FM
bibia connection oh na ya ni ere fi se ye ntrase sabi engine no se oma kuro no ebia afin gongomra no kuro no betre akwa kugudura na tra kodu ha wo se de hihye we se na etoa wo ba Holland hanma every 5 kilometers square bia there should be a transformer because omo nim say edan bi ebeba honomo the transformer house ababa bi si honomo omo train omo be calculate and with the number of houses na ye baba bi si no honomo and with the meter ebe ko sa area honomo and then they make adequate for it Ghana yen bibia na yen ye no yen sabi yen calculate eno ani se bro no ni nie ohina ato asase no obi akwa kwesini dan enti bro no wo munni
Asempa FM
was so say e dan e wo hono mo no kra na ebi 1000 2000 they don't know wo munyum so kra na obi nim eno wo be kofie bi mu no na ebi a meters be sa 10 na ebobo aden
the so reko e meter 10 ne bo hono mo a still nipa no e den a otuaka mobile phone MTN Vodafone any Airtel edi bae obi kuta mienu miensa enfo mo ho de de ne se wonto ya wonyusu etino onu ni problem ya adenti na wososo no o fantare ho nipa no obetua ka nipa bebre timi kotua obi timi kotua sika no se aban osimi ntua 2000 obema meter 1 year me sanka meter adentra obi tia brochire waba abaye bibia wie enu ntire so safa plane no sako oni obi o hwe akire ama no a nipa no kwa ko hokra e be ka chese masa mai de na obeye eti ya twen de adeka obi bo foundation na ka if you cry on district level DC anasa obi to asase na wo se wo mo de anwe ekoso no akra na ka mo de pole na kusi se ya ma meter lu betua adeti etimi nyesa
enhihye ya nhihye ni ye ewo manum because nka e ade a ye kwa se enye free
even post po credit this is kwa ye fie ho kra ye ne ane yeto yetuaka enya aban ne be ye uto ye se duru ba bi afi na aban aban dia yeto ye hia kani ane nti adenti na no so ye betimi deka edeka e wo saade no ho ede ne timi ko deka ne de e ka no sa abrem se metua ye tutu mu kra nche yo esuese sa metua hu sika
da imran yo we friend duty of care so we share
Asempa FM.
It's a kumha. O mining him the pros and cons ne nkofo how ne nyama obeya o infringing nkofo right. Now would deny nkofo the opportunity to gain one properties.
Yeah.
Say me yade na me ye no e sika na me de ya. I have every right and every liberty right to sue you at the competent court of jurisdiction. They say to sue for what you are doing.
Na baby adiko yukra there was akwasa asem court. Ghana.
Na quite to say because say yen yemra no. Ya dilute na ye feel say eno na ye convenient system aye team no. Ozo bi ankasa. Enti no aye no. Ebi awo kra akunta who pursue bibi obviously na akunta di so na umpe obebi ntina. What I say? The same person now all tigeti asem say aban A16 no and I say electricity voice no. Oh to anamombi na wa hwe say when we nipa you just want to pursue and get to the finality of what is happening no. Sa nipa no bebu abem say menye. Nti aye no. Nti sa nipa no ye ofom a no infringe your right. Ono fu say enye bibia won't infan ko bibia because it mpo no ho. Tisana reku kan say would duty of care say we be supply adena maye because when would this ke binu na say musi
Asempa FM
yeah they na energy ye ni sika ye the power nyamani ade nti wo supply adena na say me nso me to a wo so nye sika de ye wodwuma ba say wo nya na bia wo connection bia na ways bia wo de nye sika nti amfa ho na nipa ne kema o maka ma no atuma. You are not building a country that will live up to expectation for people to come and invest. Because when we talk about investment, these are all things because there was so many alternatives in power generation. The solar. If you think there will be an alternative, you can do a solar system and also very effective, so that we have a disparity in supply of electricity.
Windmill. Holland for any Germany. Windmill. Windmill. From Volta region, a coastal side neighbor. From a get me a windmill.
Exactly.
Why?
Exactly. Inti, the thing I can say the way I am governance no, big. Inti, and you say. Ye did ya grosso and a big intina brofonomo, baby, I say, Abrofo ECG or maybe because you need bromo. We envy them because they are more astute in whatever they are doing.
Asempa FM.
Or find ways to means I know the baby aba. Na to me a supply baby. I end know, yentisa. Good idea in background. You'll be subjected into scrutiny and see whether you're coming from a different political angle. I don't know so bad boy. I think say you do pempensubia. People who are not receiving a good treatment as citizens of the country, no, we need to take introspection. Yes, I did not. So because me here electricity, I want to do it. I want to use it to do my business. Now say me how say krono be koso? E krono koso. Is the one man supplier. Me so be krono because bibi an koso.
Yeah.
And yes, it's not because I can tell you say what 21st century. We have moved from the dark days to where after COVID.
Tamane you use coal, any kerosene, any year afa bedru thermal I didn't still we are still struggling say yedeka. Abrade no electricity. Una manajo obehu se fie we odeka. Aden light in the koso. Opanya me yo.
Yeah,
me choke, yeah, kasa.
Asempa FM.
Now, energy meter and on in alpha energy honey. Some much Ghana, so what to any a passport, a short Ghana card, there is shortage. A friend is saying birth and death, Obako, no, there is shortage. Mammy, one single government agency, Abako, there is no shortage. Just say the Jubilee House.
Oh, the Bibia Tower, yeah.
And you know, baby, I don't be there is shortage of a sort. Magazine, maybe Bagana, and you are more posa. Nagana, no, another thing, a quarter. If you want to follow the matter and take you 6 months and 1 year to get what you want, Say Abanka say adie we ni buonia. You must be ready if you really want the thing to pay more than that. Now, meter who can say my baby you need na day. So who go to the channel say, oh, yes, prepaid meters aba waha your body into Kwaku say I will say oh Emma within 1 month of that. No way, not Ghana card, not your birth certificate, not whatever. And this year, I just say we are now and was common. And meters, shortage, they say a artificial opinion. They do that on purpose. Or find changes or moment stop man the next day. They are all there. At the Uko Tears from Baba Yama says here, or much that they benefit from it. What I say, and when you phone they know. Or complaining when they are in opposition or buy a yes, business as usual. Because it benefits a certain political class. Now, you're sitting and Sanka, you see, you're not pressure to one they will not stop. As I say, you're young consumer protection form. Once in a while, no passport office. Once in a while, no birth and death. Or we did Africa no social media on phone. As one said,
Asempa FM.
And to meet us here, we have to find a way. And all those agencies. Now, the bigger of energy, see, young crowd, young leaders, and the politicians, they make money or they benefit from the problems.
Oh,
they benefit from all these things. Now, Argentina, solar, I think said there is one beer or Mukoya or Nadoli, and they are sort of solar in all other places. And yet, the facility say you come for not there, you call KNU West here. The engineers now wanting to provide this solar EB. Even can provide prototype EB solar EB. They will never do it because one will say, your friend is saying, thermal, any oil, a year or more gas, a year or more.
Yeah.
What's the procurement? One is a cow, Mukubodi.
Yeah.
Quick money. One more trap, no one would you sell. Sikadi in Anko, a IPP, power, independent power producers, Nina. The politicians are benefiting from all these things.
Asempa FM.
How many oil here? How many gas here every week? Every week, the amount involved. The suppliers. Who are the ones doing it? One to go to mine and the money the contract. And but I say, so good, they will never ever fix it. As I say, your pressure. As I say, your 60 years in Kachiro. As I say, we have to be on their back all the time. Say, you near and country and I'm so when you could was no more the taxes, no more taxes never ban. Suppose a problem, not taxes never be so well so good. Because the more it comes, the more it goes. Because you got check contract in my interest, quite that loans, no, this animal, the man is like Yabro. And Yadia, and I'm paying for it. And they do maybe so I get checking the of people that come in and declare themselves to send them. I say, my way. Everyone in my casapa or better Sasa get money to be yet. So that's it.
Yeah.
And but yeah, and Wahana Yahuman, and Yakai. As I said, we have to begin to think.
Asempa FM.
All the time, Yankasaka, Yabakasako, Yabatuapo, near yes, near Church, now Holland to 40 on the other, you are 20 on there. At the end of the day, if we don't go there and take them on, the problem will be solved.
Right. But I say, and paying for I mean, no Mudijme, Ura, if I am or US and Nana Recon or Holland, Sasson Valentine do they do as so a war UK and Yedin Nkomo afar. Yen energy actually say ene yen kebishi muno you say okoto 1 liter ye the 1 cedi aka ho to koto 1 gallon a 4.5 liters into the betua 4 cedis 50 pesos. We are talking about say just enrich ye ena PRC a day tariff new one by 14%. Water 0.4 as I say and I'm say 4%. Water na yen kwano ye the 4%. We pay before we use it. Prepaid. Postpaid for no do yes say. Na no kra no muna mo ya adwuma ho na mo call rounds ne ye no se nipa no ntua ya so edie ne simu kwan se anwumre sei abo no nsia ekobo no wotwe mo betima call rounds hu se safie wo de ka eti ya cutting off ne susu no ye ka ne akabio edu baby se ECG for susu no etake action na MPs asore gina se be constituency adentra mo bedum wo kania e na de mo pesa government ye unpopular na omo de car na wa be chaguye so MPs bi enim MPs a omo di sa adu enim yenim kura no crop side ECG at the official friends police and military duomanim said disconnection MPs original sa adenti no omo kodundum no ba wonum say omo de car e free because government officials ni nyina no benefits amunya ene meka asemwe ECG mubites na akwakogu Ghana a friend saying standard authority say Ghana standard authority for no kra mumeyima no enya no kra mumeyima no meters na begu no for testing no akosi saying how many years na pesa mo dey testing no meters na ba begu makachi mo se mo ba be testing abegu mu hoda dada how many sampling say number ida sampling no chemu ye ni nyina one after the other na now my investigation chair say meters na bedu na ba be di standard authority for mom ho to approve it and sign no matimi dia ma consumers momra me answer is a question. Is it true or not true? Say ECG meters ababe di mo nsem. Say mo ye den mo test. O pesa mo ma approve answer na o mutimi dia ma consumers. Ade no man no obia pesa odi ne yokwa bro. Esikasem. Eye abanya de also aban to aban so no eye de ntira ye de beji sika me ye nyina ye yisu e wo Ghana ha no. Who standard authority and normal bedu ho no more. How many years, how many months, how many days and advert test no. Mume yima no. Abrokyire Nkomo so ene ye dis asem ya busa mo. Eye no kre. Meters bia medi mu ho a ye bi hu ba bi e be sa akọ fire asem na free. Say meters na bedru mu ho a how many days, how many months and how many years and amode ye testing no. Because consumers ye komubu.
My chef and party planner. You know we can't get this retirement/birthday shinding go wrong.
Everything is almost ready, but small problem.
Why? What's up?
We are way over budget, Kwaku. Everything is almost twice the estimate.
Alibaba, okay? No worries.
So with Tap Send, I have got a catering decorations covered from here.
You handle the food.
If any extra expenses comes up, just text me or call me.
I'm off today, so I should be easily reachable.
Hey, chairman, it is for
Say, no be easy, you. Chairman has time and money.
Allah,
Kwaku tap, Kwaku do, Kwaku that.
our chairman can call you.
Hey, Alande, Chairman send them.
Tap send. Papa no.